Alright, so let's go back to footer tabs. So we want to make them active, right? So let me just access the router. So just like we have the use navigation here using this hook, we can use another hook to access router that is called use router. So use route only, use route, and then to start using that one, we can put it in a variable use route equals to use route. All right, now let's have a look at this console log. So by the way, we're using hook because it's not the screen, otherwise you could just access from the props here, the route. Okay, so let's have a look, and you can see the route object gives us this information. So the key, the name of the route, which is the one we want, and if there is any params passed, then that will also be accessible. All right, so in this case we just want to access the name. So we can take the route name, and then we can give name to each of these tab components. So, and then we can compare. We have the name as well here, the text. Actually we have the text, so we can check with that, or sometimes it might be different. So in that case we can just use one more additional property. So let's use one more additional property on each of them. Let's call it screen name, and then screen name, and we also give the route name as well. So route name, and that would be route.name. We already saw how that looks in the console log, so that gives us the name. So home, let's change this to post. This one links, and this one account. Okay, so you can see we are using this tab component. Now we're going to give the screen name and the route name both. So if the screen name match the route name, so if they are same, then we can show that as active link. So that's what we're going to do. If the screen name and the route name is same, that is active. So we can access that here. Screen name and then route name. So if both of these are equal, we can maybe give this some kind of a blue color, orange color, something like that. So that's how we know that it is active. So for that, let me I want to have a bit of a comparison. So that means we should put it in a return key. So let me just cut the parenthesis here, cut, use curly brace, and then use return, and then just paste here. All right, so here let me put it in a variable. Let's call it active screen color, and here I'm just going to compare. So screen name equals route name. If that is true, then I want to return a color. Let's use orange color. All right, so this is the color I want to apply as a style. So on the font awesome 5, the style we have on press color, we use active screen color. All right, now you can see here that one is active because that is the active page. Now if you go to account, we can't actually see because this footer tabs is only in the home page. So why don't we go and import in other screens as well? So let's give that a try. I guess let's go to post. Okay, that was nice. Auto import, and we put here footer tabs. Okay, now we have that. We may have to write some styling as well. So style sorry, not display flex, it's a flex 1. By the way, I think we should stick with the one we have in the home, the safe area view, because we might have some readable content in this screen. So let's stick with this, and then let's also actually let's copy this one, just make things easier, right? So we use safe area view, and inside we put footer navs in the view. So let's go to post. Let me just put all that. So that means I have to import this one as well, and then let me just remove the stringified. Let me use text, and this one is post screen for now. Just leave it like that. Beautiful. Now you can see home is active. You go to post is active. Let me just copy again. Actually, let me just copy the whole thing. Go to links, change this to a link screen. Awesome. And one more time, copy all this, go to account, paste it here, change this to account screen. Beautiful. By the way, when you click, you have to click on the icon. If you click on the text, you get this effect, but nothing happens. So if you click on the text, nothing happens. You have to click on the icon. Now if you want to change that, you can just go to footer tabs. We have on press on the actual icon. Instead of that, you can put it in touchable opacity, and I don't think we need this fragment here. I guess if you do that, now you can click anywhere. This is nice.